Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a problem that can be seriously frustrating when Adobe Acrobat 2024 freezes up and won't respond. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to quickly get Acrobat unfrozen and also address any recurring freeze-ups for good. Whether you're crunching through PDFs for work or just browsing some documents at home, these steps will have you back up and running in no time. Let's jump straight in with what to do immediately when Acrobat locks up. If you're staring at a completely unresponsive window, the quickest solution is to force quit the application. On Windows, hit Ctrl+Shift+ES key on your keyboard to bring up Task Manager. It opens in just a moment. You'll see a list of all running processes. Look for Adobe Acrobat, or sometimes it's labeled as Acrobat XE. Once you spot it, click to highlight that row, then go ahead and click End Task. This essentially tells Windows to force the app to close, skipping over any normal exit procedures. Don't worry, this won't harm your computer, but you may lose any unsaved changes. If you're on a Mac, the process is just as simple. Hold down Command, Option, and Escape together to pop open the Force Quit Applications window. You'll see Acrobat listed there. Select it, hit Force Quit, and confirm if you're prompted. Acrobat should shut down immediately, clearing up that frozen window. Now, let's talk about what to do if Acrobat keeps freezing, or if this isn't the first time it's locked up. Frequent freezes usually point to something deeper, and the first place to start is with a software update. Outdated versions are much more prone to crashing, so updating can make a world of difference. Open Acrobat normally, assuming it's working now, and head to Help in the top menu, then select Check for Updates. Acrobat will search for new releases, and if any updates are available, go ahead and install them. This part may take a few moments, especially if it's a big update, but it's totally worth the wait. When you're done, restart your computer to make sure everything takes effect. If updates don't fix it and you're using Windows, try repairing your Acrobat installation. This is a great step if there are corrupted files lurking in your setup. In Acrobat, go to Help again and click on Repair Installation. You'll see some on-screen instructions. Follow those and let it do its thing. When it's finished, give your PC a restart. Think of this like giving the application a fresh tune-up, straightening out any glitches that might have been hiding under the hood. Still seeing freezing? There's another setting you can check: Protected Mode. Sometimes, this security feature causes Acrobat to stop responding on certain systems or with certain files. Here's how to tweak it safely. Inside Acrobat, go to Edit, then Preferences. Find the Security Enhanced category on the left. You'll see a box labeled Enable Protected Mode at Startup. Just uncheck that. Hit OK and restart Acrobat. This step is a common fix, but keep in mind, you're lowering security slightly, so be cautious when opening unfamiliar documents. Once you're sure the freezing is resolved, you can always re-enable protected mode later. And finally, if Acrobat still just won't cooperate, there's one last tool in the toolbox, the Acrobat Cleaner tool. This is the nuclear option, but sometimes it's necessary for deep, underlying issues. Download and run the official Adobe Acrobat Cleaner tool to scrub all traces of the app from your system. After that's done, download the latest version of Acrobat from Adobe's official site and reinstall. Think of this as wiping the slate completely clean. I hope these steps help you get Acrobat unfrozen and keep it running smoothly in the future. If you found this guide useful, give it a thumbs up. And if you've got any other questions or if there's a step you'd like more detail on, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.